Good afternoon, everyone. We're here live, reliable news on scene, 2660 Scenic at the American Legion post. There's been a vehicle accident involving a motorcycle. Springfield Fire, Springfield Police are on scene. There is a rider down, unknown on the extent of injuries. They're checking on the rider at the moment. EMS is not here at the moment. Not sure if they're en route or not. If you would share the broadcast, let others know what's going on. It's appreciated. Again, if you're just joining the live feed, we're right here, 2660 Scenic, the American Legion post. It was a vehicle accident involving a motorcycle. Unknown on the extent of injuries. Okay, everyone, as always, thanks for watching, liking, following, sharing, subscribing, supporting, and everything else. It's always appreciated. We will be back. Please be safe and enjoy your Saturday. Reporting live in Springfield at American Legion on Scenic, reliable news.